Today I'm going to show you the food street, the food market, the vegetable market and the flesh market which is sold in Chuchanpur, Manipur. This is a new bazaar. So when you come, if you're coming to Manipur in Chuchanpur, new bazaar, then this is a market. You can just have a look, Nude Bazaar, Lamka, Chuchanpur. So here I'm going to show you the vegetable market and the flesh market. Like you will get here bat, you will get here fish, you will get a lot of meat here like beef, and also let's see what they have. But I've seen a lot of meat even which I don't know. So this is how it is, the vegetable markets. You can just see. So they sell different kinds of vegetables. This is very famous here. You can just see this betel nuts and betel leaves. This is very famous. This will cost you 20 rupees. 20 rupees is going to cost you, and you will get 4 pieces out of this. So like this, the vegetable market is there. You can just have a look. And this is very famous over here, king chili. You can just have a look. One of the best chili I ate. It's too delicious, but it's very spicy. If you are expert in eating, it's fine. Otherwise, it's very spicy. So this is how the vegetable market is. You can just have a look. You will get potatoes, cabbage, everything you're going to get here. All the people are here. You can just see the vegetable price. Fruit price is very expensive here, especially if you buy watermelon and all. Watermelon 2 kg, 1 kg is almost like 300, 350. You'll get all these vegetables. You can just see tomato is there, cabbage is there, then bitter gourd is here. All types of vegetables you'll get. Fruits, it's little difficult here. You'll get watermelon. You'll get meats also. You can just see these are different types of fish. So if you want to buy fish, that also you'll get. This also I think fish only. You can just see different types of fish is there. This all. This is I think bat. So this is also one form of meat. You can just have a look. I don't know what exactly this is. So like this, different forms of meat you will get here. Vegetables you'll get. You can just have a look. There's also beauty products. All these things you'll get here. And again, these are different types of meat. I think I don't know what exactly it is, but like this you'll get fish. This is also fish. You can just see different types of fish. And this is so meat. If you want, if you're a meat lover, a lot of types of meat you will get. Different types of fish you will get. Chicken you will get. Pork you will get. Then beef you will get. And these are vegetables you can just see here, like this cabbage and other different leaves, cucumber. Again you can just see different types of meat. These are also different types of meat you can just see here. And this is honeybee. This is a honeybee, I think. So like this honeybee also you get here. You can just have a look here. Again mushrooms. Mushrooms you will get. Honey. I think this is a honey bottle. As much as I know, this is a honey bottle. And here you can just see all vegetables are here. So these are basically vegetable market, fruit market, meat market. And so you get everything here. Price is also very reasonable. You will get eggs also, duck eggs you will get. You can just check. So here you can come. This comes in New Bazaar. This is a New Bazaar, Chuchanpur, Manipur. You have to come. So if you're coming here, come to this bazaar. You will get everything like meat, flesh, fruits. Fruits is very expensive. Again, I'm telling you, fruits is like only sugarcane is cheap. Remaining everything, it's very expensive here. Like watermelon is almost like 300, 350 rupees. And you can just see this is also one form of, this is bat.
Dry wild boar.
Wild boar. Oh, wild boar. Okay. This is wild boar, if you know.
Yeah.
So like this, if you like this kind of meat.
It's not pork, not a pig.
That is pork, right?
No, that is a deer. D-E-E-R.
Oh, deer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is wild boar. So if you want like this meat, this also you'll get here.
It's
if you want.
fresh, no?
Oh, okay. How much is this 1 kg?
500.
500. So this is 1 kg is 500. So if you want to eat, this is also there. This is deer. Oh, 500. Okay, so deer also if you like. Deer meat is how much?
500.
500. So like this 500 rupees deer meat. Half kg will be 250 I guess. Right? Yeah. So if you are interested, you can buy this also you'll get. You have to come to Old New Bazaar. And this is like all the fish and all. You can just see different types of fish here. And then this is a market. So this is how the vegetable market and meat market is. So from here I'm going to go outside and I'm going to show you where they sell live fish, live things. So it's basically pretty raw over here. They say raw, they sell raw meat. So if you love meat, for you this place is very nice. Then from here I'm just going to show you a place where they sell live fish, like the fish and all. you'll get to see live fish. So right now I came out, you can just see here, this is a bazaar. So this is Nude Bazaar, Lamka, Chuchanpur. So if you want to come, you can come here and you can get meat, vegetable, fruits, flesh. So this is how the outside market looks. It's called New Bazaar, Old Bazaar, so you have to come to New Bazaar. And its timing is morning 6 o'clock to night, evening 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, everything gets closed here. So this is how it is. So from here, right now, I'm just going to the front part where you get fish and all. You can just see here. Here you'll get fish like this. These all are live fish. So it depends on the size, how much it is. Full size. Kitna iska? How much?
Somebody,
Full size. Full is how much? Full. Kitna? How much?
कमन का
Huh?
नाम कहीं ना पता तो नहीं
पैसा कितना? पैसा इसका?
1 kg 400
400 1 kg. So how much your kg is? You can multiply. See, this all are fish. They all are alive. So like this they sell fresh fish, fresh meat they sell here. I think this is eel. I think I don't know this fish oil. You can just see here like this. You'll get all fresh meat. This is fish. Again, it's sold on per kg. 400, 600, 800. Like this you'll get here. All these things you can just see. Different kinds of fish you'll get here. So this is basically in front of New Bazaar. Opposite to that market you have to come. The timing is morning 6 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock. So like this, different meat. You can just see fish is here. Lot of types of fish you'll get here. And they all are fresh fish. Fresh meat you are getting here. You can just see different rates, small, big, all types of meat you will get. So if you're interested, you can come here, and if you want something big like this, you can just see it's very big. It will be around 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 rupees. So like this they sell fresh meat here because people like to consume fresh meat over here. You can just see here like this. This is a market where you can come. And after this, if you want to go like here, there's tea, you'll get tea and all, you'll get samosa and all, eggs and all. So this place is for that. You can come here, have tea, samosa and other things and all. So this is that place only. You can just see here. Here you'll get tea, samosa, basically snacks. You can sit here. This is a sitting place. This is like a food court over here, which is very nice. And here they sell eggs and all. You can just see. These all are eggs. So this is the meat market and the vegetable market I showed you, which is in New Bazaar. Opposite to that, Newt market. So this is how it looks. You can just see here. Very nice. So in Manipur, basically in Chuchanpur, the timing of the market operates between morning 6 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock. Sunday it's closed because here 100% religion is Christianity. They follow Christianity over here, and they follow Jesus Christ over here. Though 100% religion is Christianity, so their Sunday is holiday because that is how it's mentioned in Bible that Sunday is a God's day. So Sunday is a holiday. And like this you'll get to see a sugarcane juice. You can just see here. Like this you'll get to see a sugarcane juice and all. You can just have a look. This you'll get for 20 rupees. Iska kitna? 20. Bhaiya 20. This is 20 rupees. If you want like this fresh sugarcane juice. And the bazaar name you can just check. It's New Bazaar. So this is New Bazaar. So from here now I'm just going to go outside and I'm going to catch the auto. So the form of transportation you can just check. This is a form of transportation, auto and all. So these people, they charge you around 20 bucks. Like wherever you go, they'll charge you 20 bucks. 4 to 8 people will sit in this. And you can just see like this is the auto and all. And this is the main market. So if you're coming to New Bazaar, you have to come in front of Axis Bank. This is the main market, you can just check. And like this is the transportation. So in this I'm going to sit and then I'm going to go in that. Wherever you want to travel, like they'll charge you 20 rupees in this. And this entire thing you can just see. This is the entire market. This is the main market. This entire thing is the main market. So you can come here and you'll have a good time. Basically this is a place where entire market is there. You can just check. All the markets are there, like clothes market, medicine market, vegetable market. So this is the main bazaar. You can just see here. All the vegetable markets are there here. You can just see like this vegetables you'll get here. And then if you come again, you'll get to this is a main bazaar, main market is there, and then here you'll get to see meats. You'll get chicken and all like this. You can just see these are chicken. So if you want like this, you can buy chicken and all here. Again, this is all vegetables. So again, this is a vegetable market. Chicken you will get. So like this entire market is there. If you go still, if you're going like straight, different types of vegetables, and as I told you, like the fruits are very expensive, but vegetable and all is like reasonably priced. And also you'll get lot of shops like this, like tea hotel, tea shops you'll get, where you can come and have tea and all. So here like they consume tea a lot. The preference is for tea, and this is a main market where you get everything. You can just have a look, slippers, clothes, and you'll not believe they buy a lot of second-hand clothes here. People like to buy second-hand clothes. This is also one more market. You can just see where you'll get pork and all. So this is a market where you get pork. So this pork, like this pork you will get if you want to buy pork full half. You can come here. This comes near New Bazaar only, and also like here you will get beef. So this is beef. So if you're interested in buying beef and all, like this you'll get here. So this is a market where usually people come and they purchase beef, pork. So this is a market which comes nearby New Bazaar. So if you want to come, you can come to New Bazaar. Then this is where you get clothes. You'll get new clothes. You'll get second-hand clothes, second-hand footwear also you get over here. You can just check here, like this. Very nice place. I really loved it. And one thing is, if you come here, you don't feel like going from this place. It's a beautiful place. You should definitely visit. People are very nice place. I really loved it. Food is also very good. What they eat is also very healthy food, like vegetables, rice, sticky rice. It's very healthy food, and the cost of living is very cheap over here. I personally loved it. I'll try to show you more other things. Till then, have a great time.